Let's see what goodies we got in the fucking military thing today. Whoops. Shooting my cup. I don't see anything. See lantern batteries. Apparently those are no good. I guarantee they're good. I see some strap packs right there. Because that's what we're looking for. Because I like to sew. Well, this kind of destroyed. Two batteries, but they're not going to bring me nothing. Yeah, I could probably do something with those hooks. That's what we'll do. We'll hang on those. Lantern batteries. 6 volt. Oh, there's a whole box full of them. 2, 4, 6, 8. I can probably get $10 off those and take them back to the battery place. They don't know that because they don't really think too much. So I'll probably snag those, put those in the box. Put those back in the bucket. Probably snag these and take them back to the house. They're probably still good, actually. They just didn't want to deal with them because they couldn't move them. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I'll snag those, put them in the bucket, take them to the recycling place tomorrow.